Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove text from your videos in CapCut PC. So copy and paste your video, and I'm just going to select mask, and I'm going to select rectangle, and I'm just going to get a piece where the text is not there. So as you can see, the text is here. Go to basic, and I'm just going to lay that on top. You can also feather it out to make it smoother, but as you can see, without it, it looks smooth, well, except for this part. So just keep an eye out on like where you masked the like text here. So I might go a little bit further to the left and then bring it back here, and hopefully it won't show. That is it. If your text is moving, just use keyframes. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.